Okay, so we got everything out. Place the volcano on a large flat tray to avoid making a mess. Cover the table with old newspaper. Put 2 teaspoonfuls of baking soda in the volcano. I think we're okay since we have a glass table.
Alright, so
So the baking soda over there.
Where is it?
The powder stuff. And you need 2 of those. 2 teaspoons.
Alright, cool. You can go ahead and pause the video.
It's okay.
It's hard to get out. Inside the volcano?
Yes.
Not all of it went in. Get in!
I think. Okay, I think you went a little overkill on that. So I think we're gonna be good. So I think that'll be enough. Just add a little bit on the second spoon. You don't need a whole lot.
Like this?
Yes. And then add a few drops of the washing liquid or
Vinegar?
no, soap. That's soap.
Alright, so what?
A few drops of the soap.
So like, by a few, 3?
Yeah. And don't go crazy. Yummy.
Yay!
And then,
Then I have to, yeah.
Thank you.
I'm gonna go ahead and take the plate off. Because we kind of need to switch. This is, ugh.
Here. I got it.
Thank you. Alright. Here we go.
And move it to the middle. Okay. And then add your drops of food coloring, which I think 1 drop of red and 2 drops of yellow
Alright.
will be good.
1 drop of red, 2 drops of yellow?
Yes.
Is this red or yellow? I can't tell.
That's
This is
yellow.
red. Yeah, okay. Couldn't really tell.
Face palming in the background.
I'll see you in about an hour.
Do you know how to open that?
No.
You just pull it open.
Oh, wow. Alright, so 1 drop of each.
2 drops of the yellow.
Alright, 1, 2.
And then 1 drop of red.
Got it.
Make sure to put the lid back on or we're going to have a problem.
Oh, what I have to go? Oh, someone to take a big poop.
Alrighty then. Hopefully it doesn't turn like purple or green because that's not looking too great right there.
Yep, definitely not.
Yeah.
Okay, so what's next?
Okay.
This is the messiest thing I've ever done.
Slowly or so where's the
And by
spoon?
the way, the video can't be more than 15 minutes or else it'll get rejected.
I know.
Alright,
So you need to add a teaspoon of the vinegar. And if you need help by
I said vinegar.
Alrighty then. So be very careful with this because it doesn't smell good. Coming out, essence of Jude. It's just going to be bottled vinegar. Okay, that's good, that's
I
good.
go by Thomas on this channel, thanks. Inside the volcano.
Yes.
Oh, God.
And then you can slowly add more vinegar to create more lava.
Alright. I'm just gonna start adding like teaspoons at a time. That was awesome. You ready?
Oh
my God. Oh my gosh, what happened?
I think you added not enough food coloring. You can add like a drop of red in there, I guess.
You know what? Let's make this awesome for these peeps.
Okay, you do not need that much red.
Yes, guys.
Ah!
Alright, let's get a little more yellow up in here. Yay!
That's good, that's good, that's good. It's gonna look like a murder scene.
Alright, how do you like this, guys? How do you
Smells
like
bad.
this? I don't smell a thing.
Okay, be careful.
Oh my God! What are we doing?
I said don't add it super fast.
Yes.